So how do you view USB files on the iPad? So let me show you exactly how it would work. If it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you want to see USB files or just see what's in like USB stick or some kind of external storage, you have to connect it to the iPad through a cabled connection. And the iPad naturally features one port. Usually, in most cases, it's going to be the USB-C. So you kind of have to like figure out how you're going to connect it. If you're using the regular larger USB-A, then there are these like dongles or connectors where you connect it through the USB-A, but it ends with the USB-C connection. So you kind of like figure out this connection in order to like set it up to the iPad. But once you do this, once you are physically connected, and then you need to wait for the stick for the USB file to be recognized by the iPad generally. Right, so what you would do is to open up the Files app, and in the left sidebar menu, part of the locations, wait for a new thing to appear. It is, among the like local storage and iCloud and all of that, and you should most definitely see the new storage being added there. It's gonna show the name of the actual USB stick, which you also like set up on other devices perhaps. So it's gonna write it down in there, and you'll be able to tap on it and view all of the files, and of course perform all of the regular things like moving and copying between a local storage or upload it from the USB to the iCloud or whatever you need. But yeah, most importantly, you'll be able to view and browse your USB files. So I hope that I can help you out and assist you with this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the next tutorials and videos similar to this one. So stay tuned and you'll never miss anything.